Here's another example of taking an image and tuning the image correctly to see what we need to see. And I can assure you the image that came straight out of camera would not be anything like this. This takes a good selection of tuning and the right choice of palette as well. As interest goes in the built environment, we tend to use rainbow high contrast for a very important reason. You'll see lots of images all over the place in various other palettes. 𝗏 seems to be a favorite because it makes things look nice. But we use rainbow high contrast for a very specific reason. The idea is to see gradient changes in color. You need to be able to identify, because it's a qualitative evaluation, a change in temperature and easily. If we use other palettes like 𝗏 for this type of work, then what we have is a very smooth blended image, and we can't really tell where those definitive changes are. If we look at this image, we can see exactly where the problems are with the insulation.